Hi friends, my name is Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I styled my own iOS 14 home screen. And so this is basically going to be a tutorial on how to do that. So without further ado, let's start. This is how my home screen looks like now. I have 2 pages of this, and these apps are basically the ones that I use on a daily basis. As you can see, I still have my old pages, and for you to be able to remove it, all you have to do is to hold the screen and then click the thing right here and then uncheck the ones that you don't want to see on your home screen, and then click done on the top right part of your screen. And there you have it. You only have 2 pages and your app library. Now, to put this customized photo and calendar, you have to download an app called Widgets. And after that, of course, you can open it. This is what it looks like. You can customize your home screen with small, medium, or large widgets. But for my calendar, I chose a small one. All I did was add a small widget and then clicked it like so. Here you'll see different styles where you can choose from. You have time, date, custom like your photos, calendar, reminders, weather, health and activity, tides, and astronomy, whichever you like. But for me, I chose day and date. You can also customize your font. Here I chose New York. And your tint color, I actually chose black, but to be able to do that, you have to change the background color first. So I changed it into 90% like so. Then I went back to tint color and changed it into black. And now that you're done, you can just go back and save. And then I'm just going to add another page so that I can show you clearly how I did this whole design. To add another page, just hold the screen and then swipe left until you reach a blank page. And now on the top left corner of your page, just click the add button. Just search for Widgets and then add a small widget. And to choose the widget that you just made, just click it and choose small number 4. And there you go. And that's basically how you do a medium or large widget as well. So let's skip to the part where we put a medium one on the home screen. So I'm just doing everything that I did earlier, searching Widgets, but this time I'm choosing medium instead. And add widget, and then there you go. So easy, right? And now that we're done with the widgets, let's now move on to the apps. Again, here's my home screen, and these are just the things that I love. All of them are from Pinterest. For example, the messages, I just search for mail envelopes aesthetic, and then I just browse and browse until I find something that I like this. This is just super cute. It's super artsy, and I just download it, and then I go to shortcuts, and on the top right corner, just click the add button, and then add action, then search for open app, then click the open app, then choose, and then search for the app that you want to customize. Here I want to customize messages. Click that. On the top right corner, click the blue button and then add your shortcut name, add to home screen, then add again your new shortcut name, and then click the photo beside it and choose the photo that you want to put. Then choose add, and you're done. Let's see. And that's it. And that's basically how I did everything else. Now, if you want this exact design or these exact photos, I'm going to be giving you guys a slideshow of these pictures at the end of this video, so that you can screenshot them and use them, or you can use it for Pinterest's camera search to get the exact same photo and download it for better quality, like so. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked what I did, and this design, I think it looks really expensive and also very aesthetic. It goes so well with my lilac iPhone, and I love you all so much. I really hope that you're all safe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, friends.